So this is the same little boy that I had rescued from under Dixie, under its mother. It was suffocated, and we brought it back to life. I breathed into it a little bit, and it came back to life. And the best thing is always to put them back with the mother if possible, because they need that milk, that initial milk. It was only a day old. So it survived one night without suffocating, and then this morning I went out and found it under the hay, under the mom again. And I suspect that it's in the throes of death, but then I keep getting blinking, and it just urinated, and it looks like it's got enough sparkle life in there possibly to make it, and I'm not sure. But so I'm either letting it die in my company, or we're gonna see if there's a slight chance he can pull through. He's such a cute little booger. He really was spunky, and he was out playing in the sunshine with his siblings, and it looked like he could make it. He's such a preemie runt. He's only about 6 ounces, and the others are 14, 15, 16 ounces probably. But I keep working with him, and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Sometimes it looks like it's just nerves, and then I got him, he's dehydrated, I guess, so I got him to actually swallow a little water so he's able to swallow. I'm going to get some formula in him. Well, I got a little bit of formula in him, but I don't want to kill him with that. Yeah, that's a good boy. Cute little thing, isn't he?